Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add background color on row or column in table in Microsoft Word document. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our table, and we are going to add background color on specific row or specific column. So this is a row. Now select like this, and then on top you see multiple tabs, so click on design. In design you see shading, so click on it. Now you see background color change on row. Now change. So same way we will do this to column. Now select column like this. So we are in design, and then you see shading, so again click on it. So we select background color on specific column, on specific row in MS Word table. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.